Ever wonder how some YouTube creators seem to pump out high-quality content consistently without even showing their face? Here's the secret. They're using AI-powered tools that automate almost every step of the process. And here's the best part. You don't have to be a tech expert to make this work for you. Today, I'll show you how AI can help you automate your YouTube content creation, saving you time, reducing stress, and even boosting your channel growth. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why YouTube automation is a game changer. Managing a channel is like running a full-time business. There's scripting, recording, editing, thumbnails, and let's not forget optimizing your videos for search. If you're trying to balance a busy lifestyle, this workload can feel impossible. But imagine if you could free up hours of your week, letting AI handle some of the heavy lifting. That means more time for, well, life. Let's get into the first step, scripting and research. This is often the most time-consuming part, but tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI can change that. Imagine giving these tools a prompt like, create a script about car insurance tips, and watching as it generates a complete draft for you. You can then customize it to fit your tone and audience. Next, let's talk about voiceovers. If being on camera or recording your voice isn't your thing, AI has you covered. Tools like 11 Labs offer natural-sounding voices that can narrate your scripts for you. You can even select tones, friendly, professional, energetic, to suit the vibe of your video. Plus, it's as simple as copying and pasting your script into the software. Thumbnails are another area where AI shines. You can use tools like DALL-E or Canva's AI to design custom thumbnails that grab attention and increase click-through rates. For example, you can create unique images, add bold text, and enhance them with colors that pop, all with AI assistance. These tools offer templates, design ideas, and even auto-suggestions based on your theme. Let's move on to the time-consuming world of editing. Did you know there are AI editors like Descript and Pictory that can automatically cut, enhance, and even add effects to your videos? These tools use AI to detect filler words, pauses, and unnecessary content, cutting down your editing time significantly. Finally, let's talk SEO and upload optimization. AI tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy are essential here. They help you identify keywords, analyze your competition, and even suggest the best times to upload for your target audience. By optimizing these aspects, you can increase your video's visibility, making it easier for viewers to find your content. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of how AI can automate and streamline your YouTube content creation process. By using AI for script writing, voiceovers, thumbnails, editing, and SEO, you can take control of your time, focus on creativity, and watch your channel grow. Now, if you're serious about building wealth and passive income, check out my next video on the power of compounding. It's the perfect companion to your YouTube automation journey. Make sure to subscribe for more AI and financial tips, and I'll see you in the next video.